A missing Freecash update in the App Store usually means the store isn't currently showing the latest version for your device, rather than the update being permanently unavailable. By the end, you'll know how to check for the Freecash update manually, refresh your App Store, verify your device settings, and troubleshoot the app if the update still doesn't appear. Start by opening the App Store you normally use. Search directly for Freecash instead of relying only on the Updates section. Open the Freecash app page and check whether an update button is available. If you only see open, your App Store isn't currently offering an update for that device. Don't repeatedly reinstall Freecash just to force an update. Next, refresh the App Store itself. On Android, close the Google Play Store completely and reopen it before searching for Freecash again. On iPhone, close the App Store and reopen it, then search for Freecash manually. Check whether your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the store isn't loading current app information correctly. Your device's operating system can also affect app availability. Open your phone's system settings and check for any available operating system update. If your device is running an older supported version, the latest Freecash app version may not be offered until the device meets the required compatibility conditions. Also check your App Store account and region. App availability and update timing can differ by region, and the App Store account currently signed in on your device can affect what version you see. If Freecash already opens normally, check the version installed on your device. Then compare the information shown on the official Freecash App Store listing. This helps you determine whether you're actually missing an update, or simply seeing the current version for your device. Don't download a Freecash APK or a modified version from an unofficial website just because an update isn't appearing in Google Play. Using unofficial app packages can create account and security problems. If the update is available, but the installation fails, check your device's available storage, and make sure the App Store is functioning normally. Restart the device, and try the update again. If the update still doesn't appear after these checks, the safest option is to continue using the installed version and wait for the update to become available to your device, unless Freecash specifically requires the newer version. The key checks are simple. Search for Freecash manually. Refresh the App Store. Check your operating system. Verify your region and store account. And avoid unofficial downloads. Your next step is to open Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for Freecash and check whether the app page shows update or open. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, app update guides, and account troubleshooting.